Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this NewJeans-Inspired video edit on CapCut PC. Select your video and add it to the second track and add in like a white stock video behind. Then go to your video and scale it down a little bit or a lot, stuff to you. Then go to effects, and under texture you're going to add in the blue mosaic one. It's very iconic to NewJeans. You can adjust the filter and the texture and the size of the texture as well. Then you're going to go to stickers, and under vlog you're going to add in this bunny pixelated sticker, which I think is very iconic to NewJeans, and you're just going to add it. You can also then add in your own text if you'd like to here. Change the font as well. You can also add in the stroke, but it's going to look a little bit weird, so make sure the thickness isn't that thick. And I'm just going to select this color wheel so it's the same color as the like rabbit, the bunny sticker. I'm just going to make it super small though and put it right there. Adjust it to the end of the clip, of course. And I think I'm just going to put the sticker here as well, like next to the text. Totally up to you though. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!